Antonin, thanks for showing up. I want to tell you how disappointed I am in you.
Excuse me?
If you don't know it by now, there's a pecking order that you are not adhering to.
I'm sorry, I don't know what you are driving at.
Oh, I think you do. I'm the Chief Justice of this court, and I don't think you realize just what that means.
It means you have a few extra duties, but I am guessing that's not what you are referring to.
I am referring to my duty to uphold the laws that our president thinks good and right for the people of the United States.
I'm guessing you are talking about Obamacare?
You guessed right. You need to get with the program here.
The program?
Look, Antonin, I have a duty to do whatever it takes to make sure things run smoothly.
Excuse me, John, but I don't remember that was part of our job description.
Well, I consider it part of mine. And you need to defer to my judgments.
But I took an oath to judge things according to the Constitution, and I take that seriously.
What about your oath to protect and defend the laws made by our duly elected president, who sits in the White House?
Huh?
Don't pretend you don't know what I am talking about.
But I honestly don't know what you are talking about. We took an oath to uphold the Constitution.
I'm talking about the solemn duty we have to honor our president.
What are you talking about, John? We're a nation of laws, not of men.
Exactly. We have a responsibility to edit, correct, and amend any badly written laws.
I don't think that's what we are supposed to be doing, John.
Didn't we just agree that I, not you, am the Chief Justice of the United States?
What does that have to do with this?
It has to do with the pecking order I was talking about that you don't seem to respect. First, there is our twice elected president. Our first duty is to him. And my being the Chief Justice, your duty is to me.
Do you recall taking the following oath? I, John Roberts, do solemnly swear that I will administer justice without respect to persons, and do equal right to the poor and to the rich, and that I will faithfully and impartially discharge and perform all the duties incumbent upon me as a Supreme Court Justice under the Constitution and laws of the United States, and that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I take this obligation freely, without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion, and that I will well and faithfully discharge the duties of the office on which I am about to enter. So help me God. Do you remember taking that oath, John?
Frankly, no.
Are you kidding me?
I hate to do this, but I feel I have to report your insubordination to the president. Let's hope he chooses to be lenient.
Hey Matt, do you remember that drink you made me after our first ruling upholding Obamacare?
The one we called Dead Man's Drop?
Yeah, that must be the one. Let me have 3 of those.
Should I call the medics first, or wait the 30 seconds before you pass out?
Call the medics first by all means. Tell them I am fully covered by our state, that is, our federal exchange. I just found out there's no difference between our state and federal governments. Now let's see if I can drink enough to make sense of that.